Welcome to our channel. Closing your PayPal account permanently requires following specific steps to ensure your account is properly terminated and your financial information is secured. Step 1. Before closing your account, withdraw any remaining balance by transferring funds to your bank account or requesting a check. Step 2. Resolve any pending transactions, disputes, or holds on your account, as PayPal won't allow closure with outstanding issues. Step 3. Cancel any active subscriptions or recurring payments linked to your PayPal account. Step 4. Remove or unlink any bank accounts, credit cards, or debit cards connected to your PayPal account. Step 5. Log into your PayPal account at paypal.com using your email and password. Step 6. Click on the gear icon or settings option in the upper right corner of the page. Step 7. Scroll down to find account options or close account and click on it. Step 8. Review the important information PayPal provides about closing your account and the consequences. Step 9. Confirm that you want to close your account by following the on-screen prompts. Step 10. PayPal may ask you to provide a reason for closing your account, which you can select from a drop-down menu. Step 11. Once confirmed, your PayPal account will be permanently closed and you'll receive a confirmation email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.